I'm promoting responsible drinking to young adults by this campaign, Dance More, Drink Slow, and I made a track called Save My Night, which basically says that the DJ can change the atmosphere on a dance floor. I hope it inspires young people to be responsible in general. We have to look after each other. If you start drinking early in the night and you drink too much, you miss most of the night. You'll miss the most fun. If I look at my show, the show doesn't end till 4 in the morning. So if you do stupid things, you'll miss the finale, which is when it all happens. So it definitely makes your night better if you drink responsibly. It was a lot of fun recording the experiment, the video. We had this club full of people. I was actually spinning for that crowd that you see in the experiment. What actually happened with all the people that were inside, when I started playing music, it really made a difference. The music can really change the vibe, and this is something I'll never forget about recording that. It's so much fun to do. It's really cool that Heineken has this idea for this campaign, making people aware that there could be problems if you drink too much. Responsible drinking is something that they put on the agenda. For a brand as established as Heineken, it's pretty progressive, it's pretty forward thinking. Dance more, drink slow, makes your night better.